Our first diagram is the use case diagram. I think it's a fairly straightforward diagram to produce. It shows the functions of the apps, and it shows what the client and what the customer will do, or in your case, Justin and the students. So it depicts the actors, the entities, and it depicts what they do. So let's look at how you'll go about building your use case diagram. So first of all, your entities, your actors, are shown as stick people. Needn't be as fancy as my stick person here, although I think this is clip art from Word. But anyway, stick people, that's all you need. And then underneath your stick person, you're going to write their type. So for example, client, customer, student, Justin. So 2 stick people. Then we go on, and you will need to think about the actions that they perform. In other words, the functions that they will do, what they will press and do on the app. And those functions are going to show, you'll put those in ovals or rectangles, and they will run down the middle of the screen. So you've got your 2 actors, your 2 entities, your 2 stick people. Underneath you've written who they are. In the middle you have written what they do, and you've put those functions inside a box. And then all that's left to do is to draw a line between your entities and only the functions that they perform. So in this case you can see it's showing that the client on the left is able to delete accounts, whereas the student is not able to delete accounts. The client's able to view all bookings and the student isn't. The student could see their own booking. And obviously this is for you to adapt this to your solution, and you can see all the question marks there. Those are ones for you to fill out. So it's given you a starter of how your use case diagram should look. A few pointers, a checklist on making a use case diagram. Make a list of the actors and a list of the actions, the functions that they perform. Create your stick people and label them at the bottom. Put the actions in the middle, put a box around them, and then a rectangle or an oval, and then draw lines for only the functions that each of them will do. And there we go. That's all you need to do to create a use case diagram.